Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and today we are here to discuss about the T20 cricket. And so let's start. T20 cricket is the shortest format of professional level cricket. T20 T20 as the name suggests is the 20 over per side game. One inning typically listed for around 19 minutes with 10 minutes break in between 10 minutes break in between innings. It has gained popularity because of its fact pace and heightened entertainment factor. The first T20 match was introduced by England and Wales Cricket Board. Introduction. One thing that T20 cricket has managed to the effect efficiently is capture the attention of advice from all over the world and is served cricket on a platter with the relaxed mix of the sport and entertainment. Although most people consider test cricket as the most formidable format of the sport. This is no denying to fact that T20 cricket has brought a larger fraction of people together which eventually led the more interest in the sport. Men and women, old and young, everyone is hooked onto their television seats when the format is being played. Once might be wondering with led to the immense popularity of T20 cricket. For starters, it 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 taken consider it takes a considerably less amount of time, 19 minutes for each inning and a 10-minute break in between. Effectively, that is around 4 hours for a match like most other competitive sport like football, hockey, etc. Something most people are ready to space from the hectic schedule and to that the drama, the entertainment and nil beating fish never seen before showed extraordinary talent and at the display, all compressed in the time period of two average Hollywood movies and the perfect mix is ready. It has so many followers throughout the world is other than the other than the international T20 that are scheduled is in almost every cricket series. Almost every major cricket playing nation has its own domestic leagues. These leagues have been successful in pulling over a large number of advances advances to the stadium, making it a so blessed so bustling offer. This is this is no denying the fact that the money involved is also more than any other format, making it lit, lucrative for players around the world. The present scenario. As mentioned earlier, domestic leagues have gained in a lot of popularity in recent time, beginning people of overall age groups together to enjoy the game of cricket, proving proving to proving to be a good ambassador of the sport. Leagues like a Big Bash League of Australia and the newest T20 Blast of England and are very popular, but the one that sits at the top is the Indian Premier League. The best aspect of these leagues is the fact that it has led to a intermining of players is of different countries together and also among the domestic and international players, making it a great learning experience for the young brides and international players, making it a great learning experience for the young brides. T20 has occupied quote a large platform in the international arena as well with the T20 World Cup, which started in South Africa and was won by India. West Indies are the running champions now. Through a team has the defend the title every 2 years. Reasons why cricket is good for everyone. It is a shorter format and has a adequate court of the sport and entertainment. Due to a shorter time period, it has more taken from every field of life, increasing the popularity of cricket with more people taking interest is the 50 over test cricket format brings people together sharing the same passion under the same roof. In the domestic league, junior and domestic players get the rub shoulders with international legends, making it a excellent learning curve for them. Newer in the innovative ways of players the game are being implemented, resulting in the evolution of game. Brought players for different countries together playing under the same team, benefiting in the spirit of the game. The the novel format was introduced by the English and Wales Cricket Board on 13 June 2003 in English country cricket. The first international T20 match was played between New Zealand New Zealand women team on 5th August 2004. The first men's T20 international was held between Australia and New Zealand on 17th February 2005. The first tournament in T20 international was hit by Chris Gayle in the first match of the inaugural World Cup in 2007. Sri Lanka defended Kenya by 172 runs in 2007, making it a largest margin of victory. Shahid Afridi has 5 dunks in the international career, highest for any batsman. Aaron Finch has the highest score in T20 international, scoring 156 run of 63 balls. The highest team score in by Sri Lanka, posting it a movement 2060 by 6 against Kenya. The lowest team score is a more 39 runs by Ireland in 2014, and Dimitri took the first T20 hat trick while playing for New Hampshire, while Brett Lee took the first T20 international hat trick against Bangladesh. With the increasing popularity of the format of the game, it is here to stay. It has spread cricket of every nook and corner of the world, and even non-cricket players. Nations like Nepal, Hong Kong, Netherlands have their own domestic league, given a platform for young talents to perform. So sit back and enjoy the game of cricket with your near and dear ones. Thank you for watching. And how is my speech for T20 cricket? So thank you.